Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Today we have a 19 Grand Caravan, same as a Voyager. I'm going to show, and multiple years, I'm going to show you how to take these taillights out. It's pretty simple. You want to pop the hatch. Inside here you're going to see two 10mm bolts. You want to take those two 10s out. There's one, and there's one down below here. This one's really pretty simple. Now that's not the only thing that holds it in. There's also push pins and etc. So you want to pull it, keep wiggling it. I'm gonna try to, I like to put some pressure in this way. All right, you want to be, I'm only doing this with one hand so it popped out. That's how you get it out. See the two push pins there?
Got a clip right there.
All right, right there and right there, and there's where the push pin is. And then just disconnect the wiring harness. If you want to change the light, there's a little button on this wire. It's pretty simple. Just going to spin this out just to show you real quick. And you pull the bulb out and you push it right back in. It's like a Christmas tree light. There's a number on the bulb there, so you can go to your local supply house and tell them what it's for. If it's a reverse light for what year it is and all that, they will supply you with the correct bulb. Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Take care.